Hi friends, welcome back to your channel. Today most important, nothing but permutations, which plays important role, crucial role in intermediate standard, nothing but 12th standard, also for MCET and JEE mains. So this plays important and at the same time interesting also. So let us go through only introduction and basic level part. Okay. So each of the arrangements, definition, we are going through a definition, each of the arrangements that can be made by taking some or all of a number of objects or things is said to be permutation. So permutation is nothing but arrangement, in an order. So in how many ways the letters of the word, word maths can be arranged taking 2 at a time, 3 at a time. So we have to determine in how many ways, these letters of the word maths taken 2 at a time, 3 at a time. So what in by permutations here? Each of the arrangements taken some or all. So here first part is taken 2 at a time, taken 3 at a time. You can also go for taken 4 at a time and 5 at a time. So let us go through it now here. So solution, let S is equal to, here you know very well. So nothing but here arrangements from the letters of the word maths. Here we are going for the 2 at a time. Let S be the elements constituting the letters of the word 2 at a time. So various combinations here, MA, reverse it AM. So these two are different here, they are arranged here. So MT, TM, next in the same time MH, HM. So like this, 6 3s are 18, 19 and 20. So therefore N of S is nothing but 20. You know very well N of S stands for number of elements in the set S, nothing but cardinal number of the set. So this we have been learned in set theory. So this is nothing but our N of S. So number of elements. So they asked arrange it taking 2 at a time and 3 at a time here. So this is a part of 2 at a time. Let us be the set. Elements of the words maths taken 2 at a time. So like this different arrangements. That is nothing but the various permutations here with the letters of the word maths. Now here so now the natural question arises. Since here we have taken 2 at a time, we are listing out the numbers are less here, the combinations, arrangements. But if the letters are more, 3 at a time, 4 at a time means we are going to get very big. Very big here the elements, many elements. So nothing but important formula. So there is a formula. If n things are given, if you are given n things or n objects, then the number of permutations, taking r at a time, where the condition is nothing but our r is less than or equal to n. It will be equal to n or less than n, but it doesn't exceed our n. So for this the formula is, it is denoted by NPR, and it is given by NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So this plays important role. Suppose if for objective for the MCQ examinations, instead of asking the listing out the elements, just how many pairs you can consider, nothing but this is the formula you have to apply. So this is nothing but our factorial notation. So let us evaluate the value of 7p3 for example. So it can be written as 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial. So will be given as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 7 minus 3, nothing but 4 factorial. So 7 factorial by, here I can write 4 factorial. Again it can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So cancelling all the elements, 4 and 4 here, 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 6 here. So leftover part is 7 into 6 into 5. 7 into 6 is 42. 42 into 5 gives you 210. So therefore the value of 7p3 is nothing but 210. So 210 permutations, if from the n objects 3 at a time if you are going to consider, we can pair up here nothing but 210 objects. So this is the value of 7p3. So for example, this one I have given. Now let us check the same result here. N of s is nothing but 20. We will check by applying the formula. So let us go through it now. So here n is equal to 4 and here our r value is nothing but 2 at a time. 2 at a time. So we had to evaluate the value of, n is equal to 5 here for the mass letters MATHS. So 5, n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 2. So we have to go through the value of, therefore 5p2 because 2 at a time. If it is 3 at a time, 5p3. So 5 factorial by, I can write it as 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. So cancelling, you are going to get 5 into 4 is 20. So like this we can go through the value of nothing but our 5p2. So n is equal to 5 nothing but total letters of the word nothing but for maths 5 MATHS. So we are taking 2 at a time. So therefore I can write now 5p2 is nothing but 20. So for 3 at a time is nothing but 5p3. Okay. So this part you do it as just like a homework, nothing but which value you are going to get. So 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, nothing but 2 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by here 2 factorial. So you are going to get that value. Okay. So this is nothing but our permutations which plays important role. Interesting. Okay. For the school level children also, this takes as a logical oriented one to boost up their knowledge. So it is important for intermediate, MSET, for various boards, and at the same time JEE mains also. So here we have been learned about important formula for the number of permutations and factorial concepts. At the same time here number of arrangements with the letters of the word maths taken 2 at a time, 3 at a time. You can also go for 4 at a time and 5 at a time also. Okay, once you have the total look. I hope so you like this video a lot. So for the better knowledge of the students, not only for the college level students, for 8th, 9th, 10th, even the 7th class students, for their basic knowledge to have the creativity for the pairs here, 2 at a time, 3 at a time. This concept plays important role for RRB, SI, etc. for various competitive examinations. Those are seeking for their jobs. So I hope so you like this video. After watching, please like, share, comment, subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel. See you in the next session.